Understanding how the sun rises and sets. I've seen many short videos of this truly spectacular and visually stunning skyplane event on YouTube, and while most are very well done, they do fall a bit short in fully explaining what's going on with our visual understanding and leave one a bit confused in fully comprehending this incredible phenomenon. I hope to clear up a few of these common misconceptions with this video. First, let's look at the dictionary and see how perspective is defined. It is the mental view, meaning it is only in your mind because of how your mind perceives depth. No one in history has ever come to a set of stairs, thought the stairs went up, so tried to take that step, and then proceeded to fall down that staircase because it was actually descending. Your senses were made to help you properly determine your environment, and although they can be tricked, I'm pretty happy with how they were designed to work and trust them 99.99% of the time. In graphical drawings, artists are most commonly taught single-point perspective as it is a good place to start learning, but this is a common misnomer when talking about in real life. The correct term and more applicable description of what is going on is called zero-point optical perspective. The difference between the two is that in single-point drawing, everything converges into a point, whereas in 0 point, there is no point. The entire horizon line is considered that point even if it is blocked, and it is also referred to as optical in nature because this is how you perceive depth in your mind, as that is where the vision takes place. A common heliocentric misunderstanding that is taught to children as fact is that the horizon line is due to the result of that land physically being the highest point on the earth in front of you, that things like water actually have a hump in them, and that is 100% incorrect. The horizon line is actually due to the plane of the land optically rising to your eye level in order for you to perceive a three-dimensional depth. Two words that are sort of cringy and used incorrectly even somewhat more than round earth are point and convergence, and everyone needs to stop saying them immediately. Things do not converge into a point. Instead, there is a blending zone that stretches along that horizon where your eye loses the ability to perceive things in 3 dimensions. This is sometimes referred to as the mirroring effect. Also, the reason things seem to disappear bottom up past the horizon is that the declining sky plane becomes visually unrenderable because it is hidden behind the optical rising and persistent plane you are standing on. Of course, you can see beyond the horizon if things are tall enough, but since these things are only in 2 dimensions and you need to perceive them with depth, they follow what is called the matrix perspective, where things past the horizon just continue to decline as they get further away. So I hope this clears up a few misconceptions and helps you understand how the sun sets. To recap: 1. The horizon is a result of land optically rising, not physically. 2. 0-point optical perspective has neither a point nor a convergence. 3. The sun becomes unrenderable as it is hidden bottom first behind the horizon. And 4. The sun is past your range of 3-dimensional vision and beyond the horizon. It simply follows the unseen matrix perspective you require in order to perceive depth. Understanding only becomes possible when you comprehend the correct tools, definitions, and reasons, and I hope this short video will set you on the correct path that will lead to discovering your footings are solidly planted and stable in this land of wonder that was created for us to exist.